Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Today we're doing actually another one of my wife and my kids' favorites. This is the Kirkland Signature Meatballs, Italian style beef. They come already pre-cooked. You just need to put it into the oven or you can microwave it. But again, you know how I am. I like to put it in the oven because I think it just tastes better and it's a little crispier. But for 14 to 16 minutes. So I'm gonna put some out here on the tray. Put down some canola oil so it doesn't stick. Our protein tonight will be the meatballs. And then I'm gonna do a side of scalloped potatoes, which you're gonna see in another video. I'm just gonna do a handful here. And I think I should do it. Preheat the oven to 375. And again, cook between 14 to 16 minutes. Oh, and one thing you never want to do, here, come here, I want to show you, is when you reach into the oven and try to put cheese on a pizza, that's what happens right there if you touch the oven rack when it's like 425. Hurt a lot. Okay, we'll be back in just about 16 minutes. Go get the meatballs now and check them. Just beat. Let's look at these bad boys. Put a lot on them. Yeah, I did. Oh, look at those. Thank you. That was my son. By the way, happy birthday, Grayson. He turned 14 yesterday. Grayson, by the way, is a co-creator of this channel. In fact, he's the full-on inspiration of this channel. Hey, our doorbell just rang. See who that is. But come here, check this out. Come here, look at these. Oh, they're looking good. They are looking delicious. Mmm. Well, should we give it a taste? Or should we put it back in? What do you think? Those look done to me. They do. Here, come here. Get that in here. Let's look at that. See? Oh yeah. Yeah, let's try one. Okay, I'm gonna give one a taste test. Here we go. I haven't had one yet, my family has, and they microwaved them. They are good. Really good, actually.
No, they smell good too.
They smell good too. Little bit of spice in them, you can see here. If you want to see, they got, looks like got a little bit of spice in there. A little bit of pepper maybe, but time-wise, 16 minutes seems to be perfect. Okay, come here, sweetheart. Try it out. Come here, Brecky. Okay, there you go. A little spice to it. And here, you want to try it too? Good. Here.
Hot.
Hot?
Uh-huh.
Here. She's already eaten too.
Yeah.
You ready?
I love them.
Did you hear that? I don't hear that ever. Ooh, try that. What do you think? Yeah, thumbs up, double thumbs up. Okay, well there you go, everybody.
I only did 100 thumbs up.
100 thumbs up. Well, I'm gonna give it a big thumbs up too. They're delicious. Okay, well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one.